Hello everyone. The headline of our tutorial for today is distance between point and line. It is the last headline in lesson 1-2. The distance between the given line ax plus by plus c and the given point x1, y1 is given by distance equal to absolute value ax1 plus by1 plus c over square root a square plus b square. If the equation of the line is x equal a, it is vertical line, then the distance between any point and this line is given by the distance equal to absolute value x minus x1. X is the value of x here, it is a. We can write a minus x1. If the equation of the line is y equal b, it's horizontal line, then the distance between any point and this line is given by this formula, distance equal to y minus y1 or b minus y1. Example, find the distance between the line 4x minus 2y minus 1 equals 0 and the point 0, 1. Distance equal to ax1, this is the value of a, this is the value of b, and this is the value of c. Here we have coordinate x1, y1. Then ax1, 4 times 0 plus b negative 2 y1 times negative 1 plus c negative 1 over square root a square 4 square plus b square negative 2 square equal to 4 times 0, 0, negative 2 times negative 1, it is 2, minus 1, absolute value over 4 square, it is 16, plus negative 2 square, it is 4. Then 2 minus 1, 1, absolute value 1, 1, 16 plus 4, it is 20. I can rewrite this as 25 times 4, square root 4, 2 times square root 5. Example, find the distance between the point 1 and 1 half with the line 2x minus 2y equal 9. Rewrite this equation in general form. It will be 2x minus 2y minus 9 equals 0. Then the distance equal to absolute value a x1 plus b negative 2 times y1 plus c minus 9 over square root a square root a square plus square root b square equal to 2 negative 2 times 1 half negative 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 9 minus 8 over square root 2 power 2, 4, 2 power 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Then it will be 8 over 8. I can write it 2 times 4, square root 4, 2, 2 times 2. Reduce 8 with 2, it will be 4 over square root 2. Example, find the distance between the point negative 2, 2 and x equal 2. X equal 2 is vertical line, then the distance equal to x minus x1. This will give me the value of x is 2 minus x1 negative negative 3 equal to absolute value 2 plus 3 equal 5 units. Find the distance between the point 62 and y equal -4. Y equal -4 is horizontal line. Then the distance is y minus y1 absolute value. The value of y here is -4. The value of y1 is 2 minus 2 equal to -6 equal to 6. Here I can multiply numerator and denominator by square root over square root 2. Then it will be 4 square root 2 over 2 equal to 2 square root 2. Choice number B. Example, find the distance between the point 2, 1 and the line with the slope -2 and passes through the point -2, 3. I must find the equation of the line first. I have the point and the slope. Apply the point slope formula. Y minus y1 equals to the slope times x minus x1. Then y minus y1, 3, equal to the slope, -2, x minus x1, -2, -2. Then the equation is y equal to -2x plus our negative minus times minus plus 2 times -2, -4 plus 3. Then the general form of this equation is -2x minus y minus 1 equal 0. The distance between this line and this point is distance equal to absolute value a x1 -2 times 2 plus b -1 times y1 plus c -1 over square root a square -2 square plus b square -1 square. Simplify this. -4 minus 1 over -2 square, 4 plus 1 equal to -5, -6, absolute -6 over square root 5. Example, find the distance between the point 41 and the line y equal mx minus 2. Rewrite this equation in general form. It will be mx minus y minus 2 equals 0. Then the distance will be absolute value a x1 for m plus b -1 times y1 1 plus c minus 2 over square root a square, it's m square, plus b square -1 square. Simplify this equation. 4m minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 in absolute value over m square plus 1. Example, write the distance between the point 3, 1 and the line y equal mx plus 4 in term of m when the distance d equal 0. Let me find the distance first. Rewrite the equation in general form. Mx minus y plus 4 equals 0. Distance equal to absolute value a x1 3m plus b negative 1 times y1 1 plus c plus 4 over square root m square plus negative 1 square. Simplify 3m negative 1 plus 4 plus 3 absolute value square root m square plus 1. When distance equals 0, then it will be 0 equal to 3 absolute value 3m plus 3 over square root m square plus 1. Cross multiplication, then 3m plus 3 equal 0. Since the 0 don't affect by the sign, then 3m plus 3 equals 0. I can remove the absolute value, then 3m equal negative 3, then m equal negative 3 over 3 equal negative 1. I'll complete this lesson by solving the ministerial equation of topic distance between line and point. Question number 1, find the distance between the point negative to 1 and the line x minus y equal 4. Rewrite the equation in general form. It will be x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Then the distance equal to absolute value a coefficient of x 1 times x1 coordinate x coordinate in the point plus b negative 1 coefficient of y times y1 y coordinate in the point plus c minus 4 over square root a square 1 square plus b square negative 1 square. Simplify 1 times negative 2 negative 2 negative 1 times negative 1 negative 1 minus 4 over 1 plus 1 2 square root 2. The answer will be negative 7, absolute value negative 7 7 over square root 2, choice number D. Question number 2, find the distance between point 0 0 and the line 3x minus 4y equal 15. Rewrite this line in general form, then find the distance. Distance equal to absolute value a 3 times 0 plus b negative 4 times 0 plus c negative 15 over square root a square 3 times 2 plus b square negative 4 square equal to 0 plus 0 0 negative 15 absolute value 15 over 3 times 2 9 plus 16 square root 25 equal to 15 over 5 equal to 3. Choice number A. Find the distance between the point 0 negative 1 and the line 4x minus 2 equal 1. Rewrite the equation in general form, then find the distance. Absolute value a 4 times 0 plus negative 2 times negative 1 plus c over square root a square 4 square plus b square negative 2 square. Simplify 4 times 0 0 negative 2 times negative 1 2 minus 1 over square root 4 times 2 16 plus 4 equal to 1 over square root 20. Square root 20, I can rewrite it as 1 over 4 times 5 equal to 1 over square root 4 2 times square root 5. 1 over 2 square root 5. It is the right choice, number D. Find the distance between the point negative 2, 3 and the line x minus 4 equal x minus y equal 4. Rewrite the function in general form, then find the distance. A 1 times x1 negative 3 plus b negative 1 times y1 2 minus 4 over square root 1 square plus negative 1 square equal to 1 times negative 3, negative 3, negative 1 times negative 2, negative 2, negative 4 over 1 plus 1, 2 square root 2 equal to negative 2, 3, negative 2, negative 5, negative 4, negative 9, absolute negative 9, 9 over square root 2, choice number D. Question number 5. Find the distance between the point 1, negative 2 and the line x minus y minus 2 equals 0. Since the equation in general form, I directly find the distance. Absolute value a 1 times x1 1 plus b negative 1 times y1 negative 2 plus c negative 2 over square root a square 1 square plus b square negative 1 square equal to 1. Negative 1 times negative 2, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. Absolute value 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 square root 2. 1 over square root 2, choice number C. Question number 8, I skipped 6 and 7, I solved it before. Because I solved it before, find distance between the point 1, 0 and the equation 2x minus y equal 10. Rewrite this function in general form, 2x minus y minus 10 equals 0. Then the distance is 2 times 1 plus negative 1 times 0 minus 10 over square root 2 square plus negative 1 square. Simplify 2 minus 10 minus 8, absolute value minus 8, 8 over 4 plus 1, 5 square root 5. 8 over square root 5, choice number D. Question number 9, find the distance between the point negative 1, 0 and the equation y equal 2x plus 4. Rewrite the equation in general form, 2x minus y plus 4 equals 0. The distance is absolute value 2 times negative 1 plus negative 1 times 0 plus 4 over square root 2 square plus negative 1 square equal to negative 2 plus 4, 2, absolute value 2, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, square root 5, 2 over square root 5, choice A. Question number 11. Find the distance between the point negative 2, 1 and the line x minus y minus 2 equals 0. The equation of the line it's in general form, then 1 times negative 2 plus negative 1 times 1 minus 2 over square root 1 square plus negative 1 square equal to negative 2, negative 1 times 1, negative 1, negative 2 over 1 plus 1, 2 square root 2 equal to negative 2, negative 1, negative 3, negative 2, negative 5, absolute negative 5, 5 over square root 2. Since I have no like this choice in my choices, I'll multiply by square root 2 over square root 2. Then the answer will be 5 square root 2 over 2. It is choice number A. Question number 12. Find distance between the point 5 negative 3 and the line y minus 3 equals 0. Y minus 3 equals 0. It means y equals 3. It is horizontal line. Then the slope, the distance equal to y minus y1 absolute value. Then d equal y, it's 3 minus y1 negative 3, then 3 plus 3, 6, absolute value 6, 6. The distance is choice number C. Find the distance between the point and the line. Since the line, the equation of the line is it's x equal 1, it is vertical line. The distance, it's absolute value x minus x1. This give me the value of x1. x1 is negative 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Absolute value 2. 2. It is choice number D. Question number 14. Find the distance between the point 4, 2 and the line 2x minus 2 equals 0. When y is not appear in the equation, it means its coefficient is 0. Then the distance will be 2 times 4 plus 0 minus 2 over square root 2 square plus 0 square equal to 2 times 4, 8, 8 minus 2, 6, absolute value 6, 6 over square root 2 times 2, 4, 6 over 2 equal to 3. 3, it is choice number B. Find the value of B when the distance is 0 between the point 1 negative 3 and the line 3x minus b y equal 5. I want to find the value of b here. The distance between the point and the line is, rewrite this equation in general form, 3x minus by minus 5 equals 0. Then a x1 3 times 1 plus b y1 negative 3 plus c over square root a square 3 square plus negative b square. Since the distance is 0, cross multiplication, simplify this absolute value, 3 times 1 is 3, minus b minus 3 plus 3b minus 5 equal to 0. Then 3 minus 5 is minus 2, 3b minus 2 absolute value equals 0. Since 0 don't affect by the sign, then 3b equal minus 2 equals 0. Then 3b equal 2, it means b equal 2 over 3. 2 over 3, it's choice number D. Question number 19. Find the distance between the point 34 and the line passes through the point 3004. 30, it is x-intercept. 0y, it is y-intercept. I can write the equation of the line passing through these 2 points using xy intercept form. X over x-intercept plus y over y-intercept equal 1. Multiply both sides by 12. 4x plus 3y equal 12. Rewrite it in general form. 4x plus 3y minus 12 equals 0. Now the distance is absolute value a x1 plus b y1 minus c or plus c over square root 4 square plus 3 square equal to 12 plus 12 24 minus 12 absolute value over 16 plus 9 25 12 over 5. Choice number B. See you next lesson.